On this rainy Sunday afternoon, we were going around and just stopping by some open houses, and we dropped into this lovely home on Lakefield Drive and were greeted with an amazingly warm greeting and welcome as we walked through the door. And we've been shopping for homes for about a year, but I would have to say this was the most amazing open house we've been to. And it wasn't just the home is lovely, but it was definitely hospitality extended to us by Jill Robinson and her team. She's with Century 21 affiliate, and we were just totally impressed with their hospitality and the way they welcomed us and showed us around.
And their enthusiasm was above average, bar none. We just really appreciated the warm welcoming that we received and the beautiful home that we were able to enjoy without feeling like we were being hovered over. We felt like we had full run and the freedom to take in the beautiful aspects of this lovely home. And we're just so glad that you made us feel so welcome, and thank you so much.
They placed so much value on us. We even went into the kitchen and they had refreshments there. It was just amazing. So it may not be sunny outside, but our hearts are definitely full of sunshine.
Thank you guys so much for coming to my open house. Thanks so much.
You're so welcome.